The four elements in astrology explained. The astroking. The four elements. Every zodiac sign belongs to one of four classical elements: fire, earth, air, or water. The elements represent the broadest layer of personality in Western astrology, describing how energy naturally flows, how people respond to life, and what motivates them. While zodiac signs add individuality, modalities describe behavior, and planets represent different psychological functions. The elements provide the underlying temperament that ties everything together. What are the four elements? The 12 zodiac signs are divided evenly into four elemental groups: fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius; earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn; air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius; and water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Each element contains 3 zodiac signs that share similar motivations, strengths, and approaches to life. The idea of the four elements dates back thousands of years to ancient Greek philosophy, where fire, earth, air, and water were believed to represent the fundamental principles of nature. Western astrology adapted this concept as a symbolic language for understanding personality, emotional patterns, and human behavior rather than describing the physical world. Why the elements matter. The elements provide the foundation of every birth chart by describing a person's natural temperament before individual sign traits are considered. They explain the basic way people think, feel, communicate, make decisions, and respond to challenges. Every natal chart combines 4 essential building blocks. Planets describe what energy is operating. Zodiac signs describe how that energy is expressed. Elements describe the core temperament behind those signs, and how SES reveal where those energies manifest throughout life. The four elements explained. Each element represents a unique psychological approach to life and contributes different strengths and challenges. Fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Enthusiastic, courageous, energetic, optimistic, and action-oriented. Fire signs are inspired by adventure, creativity, and new experiences, but may sometimes become impatient, impulsive, or restless. Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Practical, dependable, disciplined, and grounded. Earth signs focus on stability, tangible results, and long-term security, though they may occasionally become overly cautious or resistant to change. Air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Curious, intellectual, communicative, and socially connected. Air signs enjoy exchanging ideas, learning, and building relationships, but can sometimes overthink situations or become emotionally detached. Water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Emotional, intuitive, compassionate, and deeply perceptive. Water signs navigate life through feelings and empathy, although they may occasionally become overly sensitive or absorbed by emotions. How the elements interact. Signs belonging to the same element naturally understand one another because they share similar ways of approaching life. Fire signs encourage enthusiasm and action. Earth signs value stability and practicality. Air signs connect through ideas and communication, while water signs bond through emotional understanding. Some elemental combinations naturally complement one another. Fire inspires air. while air fuels fire with fresh ideas and curiosity. Earth provides structure and stability for water, while water nourishes earth with emotional depth and intuition. Contrasting combinations such as fire and water or earth and air often require greater understanding because their priorities and perspectives differ significantly. Finding your elemental balance. Although many people identify strongly with their sun sign's element, every planet in a natal chart contributes its own elemental influence. Your moon, rising sign, Mercury, Venus, Mars, and the remaining planets often belong to different elements, creating a unique personality blend that cannot be understood through the sun sign alone. Professional astrologers examine the elemental balance of an entire chart by counting how many planets occupy fire, earth, air, and water signs. A balanced chart suggests flexibility, while an excess or shortage of one element often highlights particular strengths, challenges, or areas of personal growth. Dominant and missing elements. A chart with many planets in one element often emphasizes that temperament. For example, an abundance of fire may indicate confidence, enthusiasm, and initiative, while a strong earth emphasis often reflects practicality, patience, and reliability. Charts rich in air frequently highlight intellectual curiosity and communication, whereas water-dominant charts emphasize empathy, imagination, and emotional awareness. Likewise, having few or no planets in an element does not mean something is wrong. Instead, it suggests qualities that may need conscious development. Someone lacking earth may benefit from stronger routines and organization, while someone with little fire may need to cultivate confidence and initiative over time. Understanding your birth chart through the elements. The elements become most meaningful when interpreted alongside planets, zodiac signs, houses, and aspects. For example, someone with a fire sun, earth moon, air Mercury, and water rising sign combines enthusiasm with practicality, intellectual curiosity, and emotional sensitivity. This layered approach explains why two people sharing the same sun sign can have remarkably different personalities. Learning your elemental balance is one of the easiest ways to begin understanding your natal chart, and provides an excellent foundation before exploring planets, houses, aspects, and more advanced astrological techniques.